Okay, so we're back with the S10. I almost got the fuel pump done, and we got our dash. Our dash came in. Just an aluminum dash right here. I accidentally ordered two of them. But yeah, so I got two dashes. Play us fuck up sometimes. So yeah. So me and Bradley here are removing the dash off the S10 right now. We got it hanging. We got us a little fan. We're removing the fuse box. I think you just gotta pull it up. Okay, so we're back working on the S10, and so far we have hooked up the fuel pump, the fuel regulator, and the ABS. We delete the ABS, and let me show you how it looks. So here's our fuel line coming out from the back into the regulator, into the carburetor, to this fancy gauge. We're running 6 to 7 pounds. And I went to O'Reilly's and I just got these fittings for the ABS delete. It don't look as good as it should, but we should crank it on today. And we have not done anything with the dash so far. Still all taken apart, but we're gonna crank it on today. And yeah. So here's how we have the fuel pump wired up and the distributor right next to it. And we're gonna crank it on over here. Yeah. Hold on, let me put it on park. It might not be on park, it might take off on us. There we go. Alright, try it one more time. Yeah, keep going, keep going. One more time. One more time. We're having technical difficulties.
Goddamn.
So we got one project going at least, and oh well, he died. But yeah, so this is pretty exciting. We got the truck running. Might need a little help with the choke or something. Some little bit of issues, but it's running. Cool. We got the truck running. We're back in the garage. Next step to do is put the seats in, because we almost fell out of the seats when we were doing the donuts. And bolt the seats in, put them in, maybe a harness. We haven't decided that part yet. We're gonna have a harness or just regular seat belts. And yeah, the dash is also coming up. And yeah, we'll see how it goes.